How to enable keyboard lighting on Samsung S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra and other Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device and you need to open the Play Store. To set a new keyboard light or custom keyboard light, download the Find Lock app. Tap on a search. Now search for the Find Lock app. Tap on a Find Lock app. You need to download this Find Lock app on your device. After that, tap on a Open. Now find the Key Cafe option and install it. Tap on a Key Cafe. Now when open, tap on the Style Your Own Keyboard. Tap on it. Now here you can see different keyboard. Toggle on it. Here you can choose My Themes. Tap on a Start. Select the option you want to set from your gallery. Now go back. Here we select this keyboard. You can apply it to change the keyboard also. Now at the bottom you can see the effect option. Tap on it. Here you can set the keyboard effect you want to show on your Samsung S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Also see key color effect, key motion effect. So select the option you want to set on your device. Now select the color. Tap on a color. Here you can choose the keyboard color. Here we select this color. Tap on a done. Now tap on a done button. Now open any keyboard. Here you can also set a sound. Now go back and tap on it and you can see keyboard color. When you tap, you can see the keyboard color like this. So quite useful feature to enable keyboard lighting on a S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Test it. Like it, share it.